Hola, ¿qué tal amigas y amigos de Vanguardia Industrial? Es un gusto saludarlos nuevamente. Nos encontramos ahora en Misumi, una empresa ubicada en Querétaro que inició operaciones aquí desde 2018. Sin embargo, acaba de anunciar inicio de operaciones de manufactura para fabricar piezas mecánicas en los recientes días. Nos encontramos aquí con un invitado muy especial. Se trata del presidente de Misumi México, el señor Akitake Kato.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time,
Thank you.
Mr.
Thank you very
Kato.
much. Thank you.
Let me please, after more than 8 years in Mexico, what do you value most about this country and how has your business grown?
So we first came to Mexico, as you said, 8 years ago, trying to support the growing Japanese car industry, especially here in the Bajío area. But very soon we realized it has far bigger opportunities for different industries as well. First of all, Mexico has a very strategic advantages. They are, as you see, both have the Gulf of Mexico, Atlantic Ocean, and the Pacific. Geographically, that's very strong. And the other one is the trade agreements. You have multiple trade agreements that is supporting the export of Mexican industry. And and also you had this great opportunity about nearshoring, which attracted a lot of foreign direct investment, investing in manufacturing here in Mexico, and then eventually exporting outside Mexico. So we didn't really have seen that potential. So currently now we're working more on non-Japanese customers, and especially those are non-Japanese MIPYMES, micro pequeño empresas. So we believe that there's still a huge opportunity for companies, Mexican companies, to grow here.
And how do you feel about having the Made in Mexico shit, or your project Made in Mexico?
Yes, we usually import goods from Japan or Asia and bring it in Pacific and by boat, mostly the plane, and then we use our robust supply chain to distribute to Mexico. But that was our initial step in Mexico, but now we have the manufacturing capability here. It's our sister company behind the wall. And we feel very proud at the same time, making goods in Mexico and serving a customer, but we also feel this big responsibility towards our customer.
Okay, that's very interesting, Mr. Kato. And what are the main challenges here?
It's not probably only in Mexico, but it's also in the North America, it's probably in the global. Things are changing very fast, and it's faster than we thought. So what our customer needs to do is catch up with these changes, the speed of changes, not only to catch up, but they have to overpace this change. So what we do is we try to save time for the customers. This sounds very vague, but what we do is we use our supply chain and our 20 million products, things like that, and with our digital technology to save scrape time for the customers, because every second we save for the customer, customers is able to use that time to what they're good at, their core business or added values. So we just do not sell products, but we also try to reduce any time that the customer is wasting. And that I think it's a great value that we have more than 6,500 customers now in the last 8 years. So I hope that the customers are appreciating that it's not just the quality product from Japan, but the quality service as well.
Could you tell us more about your business strategy with this brand?
So
and how do you
like
win?
I said, we say it's not probably here, but the customer time is our priority. So I encourage my employees to think about, challenge what we can do to the customer to save time. And I think that's a differentiator that we have. Yes, we do have a business model with 20 million products and a robust supply chain and no defects, 99 point whatever percent on times delivery ratio. Well, those are the infrastructure we have based on a Japanese or Misumi's development. But on top of that, locally, we would like to expand more to challenge to different business models. So the manufacturing here is the first step of these changes. Before October, we have 5 more new services that will be introduced to the customers. Some of them we already are running pilots, but we have 4, 6 more other projects that is focusing on saving the time for the customers. So again, the customers can spend their time to what they're good at. These are components for many of the automation machines that are used in Mexico. We have 3 different types. These are called locating pins. These are the things that usually help the product to locate on the machines. And you see here we have very different shapes and very different size. And also we make washers and collars. This is a little big, but we can make it much smaller. And also this is a color that is also used for locating purposes in the machine. So these are the first 3 products that we will start manufacturing in Mexico.
In Mexico, wow.
In Querétaro.
In Querétaro. That's very interesting. And what about your expectation or your goals with these products here?
What we hear from the customer is customers usually buy a, let's say, before machine piece. So it's before these grindings and everything, and with these holes. And the customer needs to do that by themselves. So we believe that is a complete, I wouldn't say waste, but drain of time and the resources. So what we can do is from the order, we are able to ship it in 3 days of any of these components.
3 days.
Yes.
Okay.
We're aiming for 2, but we're just going to start, so I'm just going to say 3.
What are your main growth and development objectives here? What are your actions?
Misumi is now we can make goods in Querétaro in Mexico. We are also manufacturer and distributor of the goods from Japan, from Asia to Mexico. But we want to build on that business model to serve our customer better, which means I continuously say that we want to create time for customers so that they can focus on what they want. So this creation of time takes a lot of methods, like having the complete product that they want on time in 3 days, no defects. That's one thing. And also we have delivery, the urgent delivery system. and we use AIs and we use other chats and things like that, so that we do not make our customer wait. Because waiting is a very, it's not an efficient way to use your time. So we try to expand those services to our customers, so that we can help them grow.
And finally, Mr. Kato, what are the new actions will you take in the short and medium time about these plans that you have?
Short, immediate. Yes, we're going to promote this to our customers, to our mass. So we have different types of customers. We have distributors who buy goods from us and sell to their end customer. That is actually not our main customers. We have integrators or machine builders that makes a machine. They usually need like 100, 200 different types of pieces. And the other one is mass producers, the one that actually uses that machine to manufacture the end products. And these three products are required for all three categories of the customer. So we think that we will have an immediate impact to a customer soon. And we want to ramp up our manufacturing and capacity-wise and also capability, so that we can extend to different products.
Yes, Mr. Kato, that's very interesting. Thank you very much for your time and for explaining us that. And do you want to add something special?
No, we will be showcasing our goods and also services in ITM in Ciudad de Mexico in Noviembre. So everyone is welcome to come. And we are in the middle of the hall, so it takes a little to, but you will see us, and we want to see them too.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Kato.